Hey guys, it's John, ReelBlue Custom Rods. Welcome back to another edition about the truth about Hitena Metallic Versa Thread. And today's color is going to be blue, which is you can see kind of back here in the back. So let's go ahead and get started. As a reminder, if you're interested in any of these colors and interested in purchasing some of this thread, you can get a link down in the video description below. That'll take you to where you guys can get them purchased on Amazon. So going ahead and getting this started. We'll see how this is going to come out. I really hope the blue comes out really well. I hope it turns out nice. I'm a big fan of blue colored threads. So let's see how this is going to come out. All right. Oh, come on, thread, work with me here. All right, here we go. So we'll lay this down, get a couple inches worth of wrap on this blank. And we'll see how this pattern comes out, if you will. So initially, I'm thinking that this is going to look really good. It's just my thought. I think it's going to look really good on a decorative wrap, and I think it's going to look really good as a dragon scale wrap on top of some mesh tape, if you will. I think it's going to look pretty nice. So I like the color blue, and I like it with this silver color. I think it looks really good. I like this color of blue, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I think this version of blue is really good with this silver. And it looks like you're able to see both the blue colors in the pattern and the silver colors in the pattern. Sorry, guys. All right. So we can see some of the different back and forth in the pattern. You can see where it gets kind of wide and then it gets really tight and narrow and then widens out again a little bit right here. And then still right there, then tight and narrow, and then it's starting to widen back out a little bit across there. That's probably about an inch, so we're going to keep going a little bit. We'll keep going here a little bit, and then we'll tie it off and see what it looks like. So that's probably an inch and a half, I'm guessing. Yep, just over an inch and a half. So we'll keep going a little bit more. And again, you can see where it was opening up, then it got tight again, and then it's opening it up again. It's getting that, or giving you that tiger wrap pattern. And I really like these threads to do that. I think this is one of this Hitena brand metallic Versa thread is probably one of my favorites right now when it comes to Versa type threads. One, I think there's way better options when it comes to colors, so you're getting a lot more color options. Again, you can check that link down in the description below. At Amazon, they've got a whole wide variety of colors that you can search for in there, which is better than just buying them in the kit of 12, if you will. You know, and then again, I think these color options that they have, or the colorways, there's just more of them than there are with some of the other brands when it comes to Versa thread, like Pearl Wrap Versa Blend. There's way more Hitena options or color options on the Hitena Versa Metallic Versa Thread brand versus the Pro Wrap Versa Blend thread. So again, and I think the colors are just a bit more brighter if you like, you know, bright colors as an option. So I think that's good enough. That's about 2 inches. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and here and tie this off. And a couple more wraps. Oh. Sorry guys, sorry about bumping the camera there. All right, let's go ahead and transition into the dragon scale wrap. So now we're going to go ahead and get started with the dragon scale portion. We'll get this started here and I'll go pretty quick. All right, and we'll cut that working end off. All right, then we'll just start turning this a little bit for time's sake. All right. Okay, so we're gonna getting about a quarter of the way done there with this wrap. All right, just pack the thread a little bit. So far I like this dragon scale wrap with this color version of the Hitena metallic Versa thread. And again, I'm going quick, you know, again for time. But so far, I like this colorway, if you will. All right, I'm just packing this thread up a little bit. And as we get down here, all right, about 3/4 of the way done, almost done. What do you guys think so far? What do you think about this one so far? I know the light is probably not helping this one here. But what do you guys think so far? I mean, I think you can see the dragon scale pattern underneath the thread. I mean, I think you can see it, and you can still see the pattern, the tiger type pattern that the Versa Blend is going to give you. You can still see that under there. I think it looks okay. I do think the dragon scale breaks up the pattern, which we'll talk about here in a second. And what I mean by that is I think the dragon scale breaks up the Versa Blend pattern is what I'm saying. And so we'll see here. Let me wrap this part up here. And then we'll do a little compare and contrast on the two wraps and let you guys be the judge. Okay. So let's go ahead and tie that off now. All right. I'll cut that with a razor blade. All right. So what do you guys think? So the first thing, let's talk about the pattern. So how does the color look with the dragon scale? I think one, you can see the dragon scale gives it some depth. But and I think the colors are great, but I do think that the dragon scale kind of mutes down, you know, silences a little bit, if you will, the pattern that you're going to get from the Versa thread, like right here. So here you can see more of the pattern, right? You can see more of the pattern, intricate patterns that give you that tiger stripe look. And I think they're harder. You can see them here, but I think the dragon scale makes that a little bit harder to see. But maybe with some finish on that, that'll help make it pop a little bit. So let's try the second part of this. So what colors would we throw down on top of here? Of course, I'm going to go with Color Fast Pro Wrap 807 white, because I think white's always going to look good with that. I think that you can, of course, go with Pro Wrap Nylon 455, which is going to be this blue. And what I like about the 455 blue here is that's going to dry darker. So this blue, even though it is darker, it's going to dry darker than this when you put your finish on it. So it'll be a way darker blue on top of this light blue with silver. I think that would look good. I know you guys always hear me talk about green and blue go together. Green would look good on top of that. What else do we want to consider here? Maybe 640 Pro Wrap Nylon. 640 Pro Wrap Nylon. A little purple. I think that would look great. I'm a fan of that color. And let's look at, this is the same 640. So again, this is that 640 purple Pro Wrap Nylon, and this is 640 Color Fast. And so you can see the differences here. The Pro Wrap, or the nylon on the right, is going to dry darker, and this one's going to hold more of that purple color, but that, you know, could be a great option. And then we get into 349, Pro Wrap Nylon 349, kind of a different color purple compared to this darker one at 640. So that's kind of what those look like. That might look okay, but I like the purple. And then 613. So that's Pro Wrap Nylon 613 right here. That might look pretty good on top of that. And then if you wanted to just get a little funky, Pro Wrap Color Fast 101 with the yellow color, I think that would look okay. Might be a little bright, but I think it would look okay. What about 434? No, I don't like that one. That was the Color Fast. I'm going to go with nylon. So here's Pro Wrap Nylon 434, kind of a lighter blue. I think that'll look really good. It might just be too blue for some people, but I think that would look good as well. Again, just being different. Pro Wrap Nylon 361 with the purple, or excuse me, with the pink color, or going with Color Fast 301 by Pro Wrap, which is more of a bubble gum, and I think that would look good as well. Wow, that's kind of some cool looking colors. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments block. I'm interested to hear what you have to say. Let me know what color you guys think was the best, that you like the most, excuse me. And let me know which version do you like. Do you like just the plain decorative wrap here with the Versa thread, or do you like it on top of the dragon scale? Again, let me know down in the comments block. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Make sure you watch this next video here. And until next time, guys, take care.